Ever felt the weight of who you could be, silenced by doubts that keep you small, while the world expects you to just keep going? Society praises hustle, but every moment you hesitate fearing failure, chasing comfort, you bury the potential that burns inside you. What if you could face that weaker self today, not with shame, but with the courage to become who you're meant to be? This is your turning point. Dismantle your doubts and rise into a life of purpose and power. The Stoicism mindset is your guide, forged from the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, transforming self-doubt and procrastination into unshakable potential. Stoic philosophy demands you confront your inner barriers, fear, avoidance, excuses, not hide in distractions or self-pity. Your weaker self holds you back, but the Stoicism mindset offers 10 principles to break through. Meet Vera, a 34-year-old weaver from Marrakesh. Vera's fear of failure stopped her from selling her textiles, her son losing faith in her dreams. "He looked at me like I'd given up," she says, her fingers still on her loom. Stoicism for beginners pushed her to act. She sold her first piece, rebuilt his trust. Vera's rise sparked Stoicism motivation for anyone stuck in their own doubts. The Stoicism mindset isn't about quick fixes. It's about facing yourself with honesty. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." Potential grows when you choose courage over comfort, action over excuses. In Stoicism relationships, this earns respect through self-improvement. Picture Vera at her loom, her son's drawing pinned. Nearby, thinking, "I owe him my best self." That's the Stoicism mindset, purpose over fear. Name your limits, the first principle the Stoicism mindset demands. Doubt and procrastination thrive in silence. Write one barrier. I avoid tough tasks. Ask why. I fear messing up. Plan one step, try it once, act today. Meet Torin, a 32-year-old carpenter from Galway. Torin's self-doubt stalled his furniture business, his family's savings draining. "I'm not enough," he whispered, tools idle. Stoicism motivation made him name his fears. He built one piece, sold it fast. "I'm capable," he says, boosting mental health. The Stoicism mindset clears your mind, aligning with Stoicism lessons. Try the limit call. Name one barrier, take one step. Reject easy outs, the second principle, the Stoicism mindset champions. Comfort keeps you weak. Spot one crutch. I scroll to avoid work. Replace it. Work 5 minutes first. Do something hard. Skip a nap. Meet Kalia, a 30-year-old teacher from Hanoi. Kalia's avoidance of feedback dulled her classes, her students distant. "I was hiding," she says. Stoicism practice sought critique. She improved, won their respect. "I'm open now," she says, driving self-improvement. The Stoicism mindset fuels growth, fostering mindfulness. Use the crutch drop. Replace one easy habit with action. Face failure's shadow, the third principle the Stoicism mindset demands. Fear of failure paralyzes. Name one risk. Pitching my idea. Try it. Share it once. Picture the win. Meet Riven, a 29-year-old chef from Lisbon. Riven feared new dishes, his cafe quiet. "I was stuck," he says. Stoicism daily tested one recipe. He drew crowds. "Failure's just a step," he says, boosting productivity. The Stoicism mindset shrinks fear, easing anxiety. Try the risk. Face. Take one risky step, claim your strength. The fourth principle the Stoicism mindset champions. Weak self-talk. "I'm not ready," limits you. Say, "I am enough." Repeat daily. Swap "I can't" for "I'll try." Meet Zarin, a 28-year-old coder from Seoul. Zarin's "I'm average" mindset stalled her app, her team frustrated. "I believed it," she says. Stoicism for women claimed, "I'm skilled," she launched, gained users. "I'm strong," she says, enhancing mental health. The Stoicism mindset builds your core, aligning with Stoicism practice. Try the strength claim. Affirm one truth daily. Move without waiting. The fifth principle the Stoicism mindset brings, with Vera back. Hesitation feeds doubt. Use a 3-second rule. Count down, act, email, clean, start. Vera delayed market stalls. Her son's school fees at risk. I was failing him, she says, heart heavy. Stoicism motivation pushed instant action, she set up, sold out. I act now, she says, fueling self-improvement. The Stoicism mindset cuts delay, strengthening Stoicism relationships. Try the move now. Act on one task fast. Vera's speed shows. Action is your power. Embrace the struggle, the sixth principle the Stoicism mindset demands. Struggle shapes strength. Try one test. Walk in the rain. Skip a treat. Plan for a fall. If I slip, I'll restart. Meet Vale, a 31-year-old musician from New Orleans. Vale dodged tough venues, his gigs fading. I was weak, he says. Stoicism practice played one, he booked a tour. I'm tougher, he says, boosting motivation. The Stoicism mindset grows through pain, enhancing mindfulness. Use the struggle embrace. Try one hard thing. Burn old habits, the seventh principle the Stoicism mindset champions. Old patterns enable weakness. Cut 1. Limit social media to 10 minutes. Commit. No TV tonight. Meet Saria, a 33-year-old writer from Cape Town. Saria's procrastination buried her novel. Deadlines missed. I was lost, she says. Stoicism for beginners cut distractions. She wrote daily, published. I'm free, she says, driving. Productivity. The Stoicism mindset locks in change, aligning with Stoicism on love. Try the habit burn. Cut one old pattern. Live for today. The eighth principle the Stoicism mindset demands. Reflect. If this is my last day, what matters? Act. Call a friend. Start a project. Meet Naira, a 27-year-old designer from Lima. Naira feared sharing her work, her portfolio blank. I was waiting, she says. Stoicism daily used memento mori, she posted, gained clients. I live now, she says, boosting Stoic rise. The Stoicism mindset sharpens purpose, enhancing self-improvement. Try the Today Pulse. Act on one priority. Build, bit by bit, the ninth principle the Stoicism mindset champions. Small steps win. Add 1%. Read one page, run 1 minute, track it. Meet Corin, a 30-year-old entrepreneur from Nairobi. Corin's slow progress stalled her startup, funds low. I was stuck, she says. Stoicism practice added 1% daily, she pitched, grew her brand. I'm rising, she says, fostering mental health. The Stoicism mindset stacks strength, boosting productivity. Try the bit build. Add one small step. Own your hours, the 10th principle the Stoicism mindset demands, with a raw spike. Shape your day with intent. Set 3 priorities. Learn, move, reflect. Stick to them. Meet Oren, a 35-year-old coach from Rio. Oren's doubts nearly killed her business, her daughter's future dim. I saw her worry and broke, she says, tears falling. Stoicism for beginners set daily goals. She trained clients, saved her work. I'm her rock, she says, boosting Stoic rise. The Stoicism mindset owns your time, enhancing motivation. Try the hour own. Set 3 daily priorities. The Stoicism mindset reshapes you. Your actions clear your doubts. Your courage earns respect. Your purpose anchors you in work, love, and life. Epictetus said, first say to yourself what you would be, then do what you have to do. Picture Vera now, her textiles sold, her son beaming. I almost lost him, she says, calm, but I chose to rise. Her Stoic rise proves you can too. Or take Ria, a 29-year-old barista from Vancouver. Ria's fear of exams stalled her degree, her dreams fading. I was gone, she says. Stoicism practice faced one test. She graduated, found her path. I'm here, she says, fueling motivation. Ready to crush your weak self with the Stoicism mindset? Here are 10 Stoicism exercises for Stoicism for beginners, building mental health, focus, and rise. Limit. Call. Name one barrier. Take one step. Crutch. Drop. Replace one easy habit with action. Risk. Face. Take one risky step. Strength. Claim. Affirm one truth daily. Move now. Act on one task fast. Struggle. Embrace. Try one hard thing. Habit burn. Cut one old pattern. Today pulse. Act on one priority. Bit build. Add one small step. Hour. Own. Set 3 daily priorities. These exercises forge your Stoic rise. Vera's Textiles, Torrens Furniture, and Oren's Coaching prove it. The Stoicism mindset destroys weakness to unlock your potential. For 30 days, try one Stoicism exercise, face a fear, act fast, or grow small and capture one bold choice daily. Picture yourself in a month. Clear, bold, unstoppable. Vera weaves for her son, saying, "I'm enough now." Your doubts are your challenge. Your Stoicism mindset is your rise. Begin your 30-day Stoicism mindset journey by choosing one exercise today, face a fear, or act fast, and capture one bold choice in a journal to reflect on your growth. Join a weekly reflection with a mentor or friend, sharing one breakthrough to fuel your Stoic rise.